In the Odisha, first we are watching, I said that just near Jharkhand, और यहीं पे there is a Jamshedpur steel plant, or in the Jharkhand also this is the region having iron ore reserve. First I said in the district of Mayurbhanj we have Badam Pahad, Guru Mahishani, and I said that Meghasani. In Mayurbhanj district. In Mayurbhanj district, which iron ore reserve is there? I said that. Which iron ore? Which are the iron ore reserve regions are? Badam Pahad, Guru Mahishani, Meghasani. So just आपको दिमाग में याद रखना होगा, मोर मयूरभंज मोर पे कौन बैठा है? गुरु। मोर पे कौन बैठा है? गुरु, और बादाम खा रहा है। मोर मीन्स मयूरभंज, और कौन बैठा है उस पे? गुरु, और क्या खा रहा है? बादाम। और नीचे एक मेघा नाम की लड़की बैठ के पढ़ रही है। Understood? So which are the reason in the Mayurbhanj I said that? Yes, बादाम पहाड़, गुरु महशानी, मेघासनी, मतलब गुरु मोड़ पे बैठा हुआ है और बादाम खा रहा है, एंड मेघा नीचे पड़ रही है. अंडरस्टूड? एंड इन द मयूरभंज डिस्ट्रिक्ट. अंडरस्टूड? एंड दिस वन इज गिविंग आयरन ओर. और सेकेंड रीजन वी कैन बी एबल टू सी, आई सेड दैट Kalinganagar. Where I said that? यहाँ पर Then Canal, Jajpur district. And in this region, second one I said that Kalinganagar, but it is not high amount, it is comparatively less amount. Kalinganagar. Third one, in the Raurkela itself, Sundargarh. So Raurkela comes under Sundargarh district. And in the Sundargarh district, I said that Bonaigarh range. Bonaigarh range. Understood? In this range, you know that not iron ore, there is a manganese, there is a limestone, everything is there. So Badam Pahad, Guru Mahishani, Meghasani, Badam Pahad, Guru Mahishani, Meghasani. And from here, who takes iron ore and which steel industries are growing? First itself I said that Jamshedpur, Tisco, and then in the Bengal, ISCO and Durgapur steel plant. 3 steel plants, as well as I said that Raurkela. Raurkela may be here, but the quality of iron ore is less. Quality is less. But from the Badam Pahad, Guru Mahishani, Meghasani, who is taking iron ore, we can be able to see, I said that TISCO, Tata Iron Steel Company, ISCO, Indian Iron Steel Company in the West Bengal. TISCO, you know that it is in Jharkhand. ISCO, it is in West Bengal. And another I said that it is Durgapur Steel Plant in West Bengal. And you know that Raurkela Steel Plant, Raurkela. So from the Jamshedpur, I said that these are the Bokaro is not taking from here, the answer. I said that ISCO, TISCO, ISCO and all these are taking. And other comparatively very less important regions are Kalinganagar, Sundargarh, understood? And then you can be able to see something, it is nearby Gopalpur also available. So we have seen, I said that important iron ore reserve in the Odisha, and which are that we have seen in the Karnataka. We have seen Baba Budan, Kudrmukh, Kemangundi, and then Sandur range in Bellary district. Thereafter we have seen in Odisha, Baba Bud in the Mayurbhanj district, Badam Pahad, Guru Meshani, Meghashani, Kalinganagar, and then I said that which was Sundargarh, that is Bonaigarh range. And we can be able to say that in the Kalinganagar में भी जो branch steel plant बना हुआ है वो किसका है? TISCO का. Kalinganagar में भी branch बना हुआ है, that is also the what is it? Belongs to TISCO, Tata Iron Steel Company. Understood it? Bonai. So we have seen about Odisha and Karnataka distribution. Next one we are going to see in छत्तीसगढ़. और आप समझ रहे होंगे कि क्यों पारादीप से लोग एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. समझ में आ रहा है? Why do the iron ore is being exported from the Paradip port to the South Korea and Japan? The reason behind only it is, I said that nearby availability. Another I said that Chhattisgarh. And in the Chhattisgarh the two regions are there. One I said that Dalli Rajra range, Dalli Rajra range, D4 Dalli, D4 in the Durg district. In which district? And here we have, I said that Chhattisgarh, and the Chhattisgarh, if I said that in the Durg district, Dalli Rajra. Understood? Durg district. Thereafter I said second one in Baladila range, and it is in B for Baladila, B for Bastar district. So it is in Bastar district. Baladila, Dalli Rajra range and Baladila range, I said. Understood? Dalli Rajra, Baladila. In Durg district. And then I said that Dalli Rajra and Baladila and all, I said that this Dalli Rajra range, it is second one. I said that it is Bastar district, Baladila range. And from this Bastar, then one pipeline, that is in a slurry, SLURRY. There is a slurry pipeline is from the Bastar to Visakhapatnam port. There is a pipeline, or in the form of slurry, means iron ore has been converted into liquid, and then उसको liquid में मतलब mix करके like mud, they are transported to the Visakhapatnam port. Clear? ये pipeline से यहाँ से बस्तर से it has been transported to Visakhapatnam. Understood? Through slurry. Understood? So इसके बेसिस पर हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? There is a Visakhapatnam steel plant. Understood? We have a Visakhapatnam steel plant. Iron ore, and if it is coming through the pipeline, then there is no transportation cost. Yes? but only maintenance cost. Pipeline require maintenance cost. Visakhapatnam. Understood? Thereafter I said, from the Visakhapatnam also what is happening? Export. Understood? We are exporting iron ore. So which iron ore? That is from the Baladila range, Bastar district. What we are producing, that is, I said that exported, that is being exported. Got it? And then Durg district, Dalli Rajra, and that is in the Durg district के अंडर में ही इसी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में क्या है? भिलाई स्टील प्लांट. भिलाई स्टील प्लांट, छत्तीसगढ़. Able to locate? मैग्नेटाइट, हेमाटाइट, ऐसे लिख देना. मैग्नेटाइट एज वेल एज सम अमाउंट ऑफ हेमाटाइट. अभी जितने भी बता रहा हूँ जो बेटर रीजन्स हैं, देयर इज एन गुड क्वालिटी मैग्नेटाइट इज देयर. अंडरस्टूड? लिटिल बिट हेमाटाइट. हर एक बुक्स में कुछ ना कुछ लिखा रहता है, तो हमें एक्सपर्ट बनने की जरूरत तो है नहीं. अंडरस्टूड? वी शुड नॉट गो फॉर द लो क्वालिटी. द लो क्वालिटी जब भी कहीं किसी रीजन को मैं दिखाऊं, जैसे आई सेड दैट कलिंगानगर, बोनाईगढ़ रेंज, ऑटोमेटिकली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड देयर इज एन लो क्वालिटी. That is limonite and all. So, understood it? So the first region in the Karnataka, you can be able to see, like I said, that first it is Baba Budan Hills, Kudramukh and Kemangondi. Second it is in a Bellary district में Sandur range. Then in the Odisha में we have seen first Mayurbhanj, and three important regions are there. Badam Pahad, Guru Meshani, Meghashani. Understood? And then Kalinganagar, and then Sundargarh, in the Sundargarh Bonaigढ़ range. Understood? And then we have been able to see in the Chhattisgarh, first and second, D and B later. D and B. Delhi Rajra in Durg district, again D, in Baladila range in the Bastar. And from the Bastar Baladila range, it is going to the Visakhapatnam port. Understood it? So this is clear to you. Now, the next one it is coming, I said that. Fourth one I said that Goa. And you know that Goa से हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? We are exporting it to the different parts of Middle East. And to Goa, से आयरन और जो जा रहा है वो this iron goes to the Dolvi स्टील प्लांट. गोवा का जो जा रहा है, गोवा में तो छोटा सा ही गोवा आप जानते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? इन द वेस्टर्न घाट गोवा. एंड इट गोज टू द Dolvi steel plant in Maharashtra, just nearby in Ratnagiri, Satara district के पास. I said that Goa, and Goa is exporting iron ore to, you know, that Middle East and European countries from the Marmagaon port. From Marmagaon, Goa. Got it? Iron ore. Shall I? Next one it is, I said that Jharkhand. And then Jharkhand, if I am talking about, it is in You know that there is a West Singhbhum, and then Jamshedpur is in the East Singhbhum. There are two Singhbhum just along the touching with the border of Odisha, West Singhbhum and East Singhbhum. And then I said that from the West Singhbhum, and in the West Singhbhum, I said that there are the two regions are there in Jharkhand. In the Jharkhand, if we say that in the Jharkhand West Singhbhum, Nuwa Mundi, and another reason is I said that Kiri Bao. Nuwa Mundi and Kiri Bao. So we have been able to see these regions of iron ore reserves and this mineral resource in, I said that in Jharkhand. Understood? But a part of it, we have also some mineral reserves in the other regions. Yes, I said that where we have got the iron ore, yes, tell me. First, Karnataka, Aryan Karn Uda, Chhat se from Goa to Jharkhand. Karnataka, Baba Budan Hills. Then we have seen Kudramukh, Kemangundi in the Bellary district, Sandur range. And we have been also able to see, like I said, in the Bellary district, Sandur range. Then we have seen in the Odisha. In the Odisha, we have been able to see, like I said, that three regions are there. One Mayurbhanj, Kalinganagar and Sundargarh. In the Mayurbhanj, we have seen Badam Pahad, Guru Meshani, Meghasani, Kalinganagar and Sundargarh, Bonai range. In the Chhattisgarh, we have been able to see, I said that two, Dalli Raja.